Good day, grade 10. I hope you succeeded with yesterday's activity 14.4, which you had to do on your own. I will send the memo later today. Today we're going to do the wages journal. Now you will see a wages journal is only for a week, for the week ended. So employers that earn wages, they earn their wages weekly for different reasons, which we can discuss later, otherwise the video gets too long. Now, they can work normal time with a normal rate. They can work overtime. And then, of course, if they work overtime, they are paid a little bit more. And then they also have a gross wage. The format of the wages journal looks a little different from the salaries journal. And then they also have deductions. They also have a pension fund, a medical aid, UIF, which you know what it is at the moment, pay as you earn. You should know that by now. And they also have a net wage. And then, of course, the employer's contribution also. The employer contributes towards pension fund, towards the UIF, and you can actually just fill that in. So let's look at activity 14.5. Now, the first one I filled in for you, and I'm only going to do this one with you, okay, and maybe then Ntini as well. And then H. Gibbs you are going to do on your own. So wage earners, Smith, Ntini, and Gibbs, looks like they used cricket players. They work 8 hours a day at 5 days per week at rates 24 Rand, 30 Rand, and 20 Rand per hour respectively. The three employees worked the following hours in the week. Smith worked 40 hours. Okay, so there's your 40 hours. He worked at a rate of 24 Rand an hour, and the amount is 960 Rand. He did not work overtime. You can fill in the rate, but of course then there's no amount there. Then the deductions. So the gross wage is the 960 Rand. The pension fund is a deduction. It's 48 Rand. That's the pension is 5% of the normal times wages. So it's 5% of the 960 Rand. That's 48 Rand. The medical aid is 14 Rand. And they say, 14 Rand. UIF is 6 Rand. They give you all these amounts. The pay as you earn is 192 Rand. That's also an amount that they give you. I think so. No, 20% of the gross wage. So 20% of that gives you the 192. Total is 260. So my net wage is the gross wage minus the deductions, and that's 700 Rand. Employer's contribution, now they say the employer contributes on a Rand for Rand basis to the employee's UIF. So that means if they pay for the UIF 6 Rand, the employer also pays 6 Rand. And according to the pension fund, they pay for every they say 2 Rand for every 1 Rand that the employer contributes. So for every 148 Rand, the employer pays 2 Rand, therefore they pay 96 Rand. Now you can fill in the rest, just read very carefully, add up at the end, and then you do activity 14.6 on your own. So finish 14.5 and 14.6 on your own.